Once upon a time, in a quiet suburban town, lived a boy named Alex. Alex had always been fascinated by the world of business and entrepreneurship. From a young age, he would set up lemonade stands during the summer and organize garage sales to earn a little extra pocket money. But little did he know, these early ventures were just the beginning of his incredible journey into the realm of e-commerce. As Alex grew older, his curiosity about the online world grew stronger. He stumbled upon the concept of dropshipping and was instantly intrigued. The idea of running an online store without holding inventory and shipping products himself seemed like a dream come true. Alex had found his calling, and he decided to dive headfirst into the world of Shopify dropshipping. With determination in his heart and a laptop as his weapon, Alex embarked on a journey of learning and self-discovery. He spent countless hours researching successful dropshipping strategies, studying market trends, and familiarizing himself with the Shopify platform. Late nights turned into early mornings as he absorbed every piece of knowledge he could find. After weeks of preparation, Alex finally launched his very own Shopify store. He named it Trend Treasures and filled it with carefully curated products that he believed would captivate his target audience. From stylish accessories to trending gadgets, his store was a reflection of his keen eye for what was hot in the market. However, the road to success wasn't without its challenges. Initial sales were slow and doubts started to creep into Alex's mind, but he refused to give up. He took each setback as a lesson, analyzing customer feedback and tweaking his store to improve the user experience. Then, one fateful day, everything changed. Alex had been experimenting with various advertising strategies, and he finally struck gold. His Facebook ad campaign caught the attention of the right audience, and orders started pouring in. Overnight, his sales skyrocketed, and his store was transformed from an ordinary online shop to a flourishing e-commerce empire. The success was surreal for Alex, but he knew that consistency was key. He continued to refine his strategies, invest in customer service, and build a brand that resonated with his customers. As word spread about the quality products and exceptional service from Trend Treasures, his customer base grew rapidly. Inspired by his newfound success, Alex decided to share his journey with the world. He started a YouTube channel called Shopify Dropshipping Unleashed, where he documented his experiences, strategies, and insights. His transparent approach and authentic storytelling quickly attracted a following of aspiring entrepreneurs who were eager to learn from his triumphs and challenges. Through his YouTube channel, Alex became a mentor to countless individuals who wanted to embark on their own dropshipping journeys. He hosted webinars, shared tutorials, and conducted live Q&A sessions, all while emphasizing the importance of perseverance, adaptability, and continuous learning. With time, Shopify Dropshipping Unleashed, "Watch me transform sales overnight," became a mantra of inspiration for those seeking to turn their dreams into reality. Alex's story proved that with dedication, the right strategies, and an unwavering belief in oneself, success was achievable in the competitive world of e-commerce. And so, the ordinary boy from a suburban town transformed into an extraordinary figure in the world of Shopify dropshipping, inspiring others to unleash their potential and transform their own lives through online entrepreneurship.